right, welcome to part number 2 of workout 1. We're focusing on lower body today. Always good to start the week off with lower body exercises. Now, we're gonna do a single bell, single side squat, right? Challenging here will be keeping your core stabilized. So you're gonna be recruiting a little bit more of that abdominal strength here to keep sure of good posture, feel the obliques working. I'll show you how to do that, right? Again, we're gonna do 4 sets of 6. So you're trying to go a little bit heavier here, okay? You're doing less reps, that means you should be able to do a heavier bell for one more set, right? So a 4x6 set. I'm gonna do single arms, just bring it into that rack position. And to counterbalance the weight, I put my hand out a little bit to the side, brace those abs, pull myself down, drive it up. I don't need to re-clean. I'm just keeping it in the rack, driving up and down. All right, then I can park it and switch. If you decide that you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can do a swing switch into the other side. Then you're doing 6 and 6, 12 reps. That should gas you a little bit. Remember, the point here is not necessarily to cardiovascularly challenge yourself. The point here is to test your strength. So if you're like not getting the amount of fatigue that you will like by doing it on one side, that might mean that you need to go heavier. If you do 6 and 6 on both sides, and then you start to feel the burn, you're doing a pretty good job. Now we're gonna work some explosiveness here. Okay, so I'll start off showing you the body weight version. So I want you to go into your step back lunge and then drive up like you're gonna sprint. Step back lunge, drive up like you're gonna sprint. Step back lunge, drive up like you're gonna sprint. So I'm thinking explosive, right? I'm thinking about almost like a sprinter pose here, okay? So now I can jump off, jump off, jump off. That's gonna be challenging. You need to establish the balance first. I need to be able to establish that balance first, where I come up and I'm nice and tall. If I can explode off that foot, great, but I'm still driving that knee up. Don't expect to get major height, right? And you're only doing 6 because that is a power move. Those are gonna be your 2 progressions. Keeping the foot on the ground, jumping off the ground. Very athletic, right? Very challenging. Find the stability first, and then challenge yourself as we progress in the weeks. Then we're gonna be working some core. So we know our knees to elbows are working our lower abs. We go with some good flexion here. So I get my bell, I roll, and I'm controlling it. Tap, roll. Knees to elbows. Get that crunch, hold that bell to counterbalance you as you drop your legs. Resist the urge for things to flop down. Yes, you are doing a core exercise, but you're resisting, which can help you gain a lot of strength, all right? So taking your time, after you do your squats and those jumps, take a couple deep breaths, then hit the deck and get those ab works in, and I'll see you in part 3 of workout 1.